Loki is announced. Loki is announced and Loki is leaked. Loki, we have every information about Loki. We have his house address. We have the video. We even have lucky spins for Loki. Blue Lock, new Loki. We got all the codes for Loki as well. This is the Loki update. The brand new trailer just dropped. I kind of lost it. Where is that? Wait, what? I think I have to download the trailer. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to download the trailer. Oh wait, there it is. The teaser. The cinematic teaser. How do I actually show you guys? How do I actually show you the new Loki? I mean Loki. Loki code is coming to Blulocks. New Loki code is coming to Blulocks, and we'll be showing you the brand new trailer that they have added as well. So let's actually do a quick trailer reaction. Alright, GG's, it's not working. Wait, he's French? GG's. Wait, nobody told me Loki is French. Why is he French? Okay, there's 6 eyes. No. Oh my god, this is crazy. Wait, this is actually tough. This is actually tough. This is actually tough. Yo! Guys, go watch the trailer on the Blue Lock Rivals unofficial fans page. I can show you some pictures. Oh no, why are they so bad? Fit to screen. Okay, so this is the first picture. Loki. Next picture. As you guys can see, it's like superpowers. And the third picture. So this is his ultimate ability. Bang, bang, zigzag, zigzag. So he dashes forward and then he dashes to the down, then he dashes forward again. So this is Loki. You see, like over there, that's Loki. And he's running fast. He's faster than Sonic. Anyways, we got all new codes. Make sure you guys actually like the video, subscribe. Do not miss out on any of these codes. Also, if you'd like to have yourself a extra slot in the Blue Lock, type Loki in the comments. Type Loki in the comments. This is all you need to do. Type a little Loki in the comments. It's pretty simple. Other than that, be sure to redeem every single one of these codes. The first code is kind of a freebie because it's literally showcased on the code bar. We got the IQ 1.5 million code. This is the first code that you actually want to redeem. Also, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. The next code is ranked exclamation point for lucky spins. Why is the game glitching? Okay, the game is glitching because I pressed shift lock. I pressed shift lock and now, oh yeah, if you press control, yeah, it's cooked, you know. Redeem code ranked. The next code is Loki soon exclamation point. Loki soon exclamation point. This is the Loki code. This is literally the Loki code. Be sure to redeem the Loki code right now in Blue Lock's Rivals because he's coming soon and this update will be huge.